In this video, I'm going to list 5 business ideas that you could start today with absolutely no money. These are all different ways that I started generating income online, and I want to share them with you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to list 5 different ways that you can start an online business with absolutely no money. #1 is to become a WordPress designer. Now, basically what that means is you work with different clients, you build them a WordPress website, and you get paid for it. Now, before you click off and before you think that this is too complicated, it's actually really easy. What you need to do is you need to go out and find clients. In one of my earlier videos, I showed you how to do that. Once you find a client, you need to build them a WordPress website. You can go to a website like themeforest.com and you can find WordPress websites that are congruent with whatever the customer wants. For example, if I jump over to themeforest.com, you can find different WordPress themes for, let's say, plumbers. What you'd want to do is go out, find a local business that has a very janky looking website and say, hey, look, I want to build a WordPress website for you, or I want to build a website for you so that you can attract more leads and sales and clients and you can look even more professional. So you find a plumber that wants a website. They say, okay, yes, let's do it. Simply go over to themeforest.net or type in WordPress themes and you'll be able to find a ton of them. Go to type in plumber here. And as you can see, plumber and WordPress. Once you type in plumber and ThemeForest, you can see there are tons of options. Now, this one is listed at $69. And the way that you actually don't have to pay for this is once you secure a contract or secure a job, tell them that you want the money up front. So the terms and conditions of starting this WordPress gig or job with the customer is that you get half up front and then half when the job is complete. Now, you want to make sure that you get at least half up front, A, so that you're not working for free, B, so that you can cover any costs like the $69 for this WordPress theme. But once you and the plumber agree to the job, you tell them, hey, find a few websites that you like the look and feel of. 2, give me everything that you need or want to see on your website and give me images. They're going to give you all the information. You're basically going to package it up and make it look pretty and send it back. Now, the great thing is there's so many WordPress websites out there that the plumber isn't going to know that this was done from basically a template. You're going to show them how to use it. You can walk them through it. It's a very easy process to get started, and you can charge up to $2,500 per client. Now, I made a video earlier this week or last week talking about how you can do that. Watch that video if you want to learn how to become a WordPress developer or designer. The great thing with this method is you don't need to do any coding. The great thing with WordPress is you just go through the settings, make the changes based on the client's needs and recommendations, and then you're off to the next client. This, again, is a good way to make money every single day, simply building out these different websites for people. Now, what you can do to show people that you have experience is you can go invest $69, let's say, and you can build out a templated system to show people, hey, look, this is what your website could look like. It will help sell the customer because they can visually see that you, A, know what you're talking about, and B, that they can actually, it's more tangible than telling them about the idea of a website. So #1, a good opportunity, a very good opportunity, is in fact building WordPress websites for small and medium-sized businesses. #2 is actually to create and sell digital products. Now, when I talk about digital products, it can be an ebook, it can be a blueprint, it can be a checklist, it can be an audiobook, it can be a podcast. Anything that is digital online, you can package it and sell it. You can sell it on websites like Gumroad, you can sell it in Facebook groups. There's a number of ways to sell it, and it's really easy to get started. If you have a computer or if you have your smartphone, you could build and create a digital product. So one way that you can do it, let's say you want to create an ebook. You build out the ebook in Google Docs, right? You write everything up, type it up, and then you can save it to Google Drive. You can save it as a PDF to Google Drive. And when people buy it from you, you can build a WordPress website, and there are different plugins that will help you do that through a WordPress theme or WordPress plugin. You build it out, build everything out. When people buy the product, you can deliver it to them automatically via a Google Drive, and you can make the Google Drive a shareable link. People buy the product for anywhere between, let's say, $5 and $30. You automatically make $30 just from doing the work up front. So again, it's a really easy process to get started. You just need a computer. If you have one, you can use a smartphone. You could create a video series or a video tutorial, and you can get started that way. Spend a weekend creating this, building it out, and then you can market it in different formats. You can market it on Instagram, on YouTube. You can market it on any social media platform 100% for free. And then when people click on the link to your digital product they buy, you get paid. So a digital product is very good, and it can be on anything. If you have knowledge and experience in something, you can create the digital product on that. If you have no knowledge or experience in anything, but you're willing to learn, you can create the digital product on that as well. So there are a number of opportunities out there. Think of different digital product ideas. It can be on something that you recently purchased. That's always a good idea. It can be something that you enjoy. Maybe you enjoy a TV show or a video game. You could create a digital product on a walkthrough. That's another good idea. Digital product on an ebook. There are so many opportunities out there that you can make money. Now, the pushback is always going to be, can I find that information online for free? Yes, you can find everything online for free, but your goal is to save people time or save people money. If you can do one or two things and you can show people that you save people time or money, your customers, you can show them that you can save them time or money, they're going to buy from you. For example, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube to do everything, but most people don't have time to go here and there and here, back and everywhere to find all of these different tutorials to help them get whatever problem they need solved. So what they do is they go and they find a course, or they find, some great marketer that shows them how they can save time and money with whatever it is, whatever their challenge is. For example, let's say they wanted to get better at woodworking. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube for woodworking, but there are people that are willing to pay to have their time cut short with the learning curve, and that's the purpose of your digital product. So creating a digital product is another great way, and it can cost you absolutely nothing to get started. Next, you can create and sell an online course. Now, an online course is just like a digital product, but it's structured to teach a customer something. Now, you can get started with an online course using a website like Udemy or Skillshare, or you can even host it on your WordPress website yourself. Now, the benefit, once again, to creating an online course is you're saving someone time or money. Once again, if we go back to that woodworking or that basket weaving analogy, you can find just about anything that you need on the internet for free, but your goal and your objective should always be to save your customers time or money. If you can show them in a very step-by-step process to weave the perfect basket underwater basket weaving, you can help them and you can make money. Again, there are free courses for everything. You can go over to Udemy and find tons of free courses, but you also see people that are creating paid courses on the exact same topic having thousands of reviews. You can create a course 100% for free using your iPhone. And again, you could your first online course just this weekend. Now, eventually what I'd recommend that you do is you self-host your online course. That's going to cost a little bit of money, but when you self-host your online course, you can actually charge a little bit of money. One of the downsides to Udemy is that Udemy will actually discount the courses to $9.99, and then you ultimately can make as little as $2.40 per course. So start off with something like Udemy, get some cash, get some revenue coming in, and then ultimately create your own course. The great thing about creating an online course is you don't have to have knowledge or experience in any topic. As long as you're willing to learn about that topic and become a subject matter expert, you can create an online course, package it up, and sell it. So number 3 is creating and selling online courses. Number 4 is with affiliate marketing. Now, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on this channel because I think it's a great opportunity for anyone and everyone. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. When you recommend or sell someone else's product and services, your customer clicks on the link, buys the product, you get paid a commission. Now, you see affiliate marketing a lot on YouTube. For example, after this video, if you search best cameras under $500, you're going to see a ton of videos come up, and the links will be to Amazon. Those are all affiliate links. It doesn't cost the customer any more money to click on those links. It's just helping them get to the product faster, and it helps you get paid a commission. Affiliate marketing is done just about everywhere. Most people don't realize that it's happening, but it's a very good opportunity. You simply solve someone's problem via blog, social media, YouTube, anywhere that you think of. You direct them to where the product is, Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Walmart, wherever that may be, and then you get paid a commission. The great thing is there are tons of affiliate programs out there. Most people usually only focus on Amazon, but if you search your niche, for example, basket weaving, and then affiliate marketing in quotes, you'll see that there are a ton of opportunities out there. So affiliate marketing is great because it's passive income. You create the content once and it stays on the internet forever. For example, with this YouTube channel, I have tons of YouTube videos that are getting views and plays from years ago just by me taking the time to create that video one time. So you can do the exact same thing with a Facebook group, with Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, watch my other videos. I have a ton of information about affiliate marketing and showing you how to get started 100% for free. All right, and number 5 is actually become a YouTuber. Now, people are going to tell you that YouTube is oversaturated. It isn't. Now, the reason why it isn't is because most people are doing YouTube the wrong way. They are putting out YouTube videos about things that they want to see. That's the absolutely wrong way to do YouTube. For example, if I create a YouTube video about me waking up and having breakfast, nobody cares about that. But if you create content about what people care about, you are going to eventually get leads, sales, and views right on YouTube. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is you can actually monetize YouTube in a few different ways. For example, once you get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can have ads run at the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. But you can actually start affiliate marketing right away. So you create a YouTube channel, grab some affiliate links and put them on all of your videos. People will eventually start clicking on those affiliate links and they'll buy the product. You get paid a commission. There's also with paid sponsorship. So basically, once you get large enough, around 5,000 subscribers, there will be companies that reach out to you and say, hey, I love your channel. I want to work with you. I'll give you $1,000 if you create a 5-video series talking about this and recommending or mentioning us in the process. They'll pay you a certain amount of money. Now, the amount of money that you'll receive will actually depend on your niche. So don't take $1,000 as a hard and fast rule. Another way that you can get paid is by creating and selling your own digital products. For example, below I have a number of digital products that I sell where people will click on them, buy them, and they'll actually get additional value. So the cool thing with creating a YouTube channel is that you can get paid 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are multiple revenue streams that can be created just by creating a YouTube channel. Now, again, most people do YouTube the wrong way. They're creating content about what they want to see. For example, if I want to create a YouTube channel about video games, nobody cares about my journey through a video game. They want to learn how they can beat a certain level. They want to learn tips and tricks that will help them get to the next level. So the important thing with YouTube is to do keyword research, and keyword research is simply figuring out what your customers want to know. And keyword research is really easy. If we jump over to YouTube, as you can see here right on my screen, I have online business ideas with no money 2021. The search results below that are searches that people have typed in. This is keyword research. So what I would do is, as you can see, online business ideas with no money 2021. If I delete the last part there and I just go through each letter of the alphabet, people are asking these questions. For example, online business ideas with no money, with no investment, with low investment, work from home. If I go through, these are all questions that people are asking, and you can create content and you can recommend a digital product. For example, a $5 guide to show them how to get started. You can recommend different affiliate products. For example, there could be a 15-day course that you could recommend, or you could even work with different businesses. For example, let's say a VPN company where this video is brought to you by VPN ABC. Get started, secure your internet browser with VPN ABC, and so on. So there are tons of opportunities just with YouTube itself. If people are telling you that YouTube is saturated, they're usually telling you that YouTube is saturated on YouTube. So take it with a grain of salt. Now that you know 5 different online business ideas for beginners, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start an online business fast. When you click that link in the description, it'll take you to a free training to show you step-by-step how you can start an online business. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.